Hello, welcome to Thompson's Toyota. Next to me I got a orange Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4, and well, let's take a closer look. All right, first things first, the color. This is called Inferno, and I absolutely love it. It's an easy way to stand out in one of these, or really in anything. So this is the TRD Off-Road 4x4. We're gonna walk right up to that. So what does that mean? It means, well, it's better off-road. 4x4, it's four-wheel drive. There's a selector inside I'm gonna show you. This also has the V6 for that extra little bit of punch to it. Nice bed liner in there, keeps you protected. This is the double cab, so you got this extra pair of doors back here, and check out the leg room. Very easy to spend some time back here. All right, so we are now inside of the Tacoma. I'm gonna light up these gauges real quick. There you go. So what we have here is Toyota N-Tune. It's spectacularly easy to use. If you got music right here in the corner, this is pulling it right off of my phone. Awesome. Yeah, this makes me feel like it's 2004 again. Yeah, a little Pink Floyd. I mean, it's just whatever you want. It's so easy to use. You got navigation here. Tremendously easy to use. It is fantastic. And down here, 2-wheel drive, 4 high, 4 low. That's to activate the 4-wheel drive system, which of course is a TRD Off-Road. I'm expecting you'll be using that. So I mean, overall, you can see inside this car, this is really nice. The materials are here, they're all nice and soft. The steering wheel is awesome to hold. Look how, you can see this is perforated right there. This is a thoroughly modern truck. That's what's so nice about this. Even the shifter, look at this. Kind of nice boot around it. Same with the e-brake, the wrapping on it. It's just a really surprisingly nice place to be. See that little symbol right there? That is a blind spot monitoring system. That's part of the technology package. Ooh, and let's look above all this to the overhead switches. Every time I see overhead switches, I feel like I'm in an airplane flying. So we have axle locker, traction control off. We also have multi-terrain select. So for dirt, snow, mud, stuff like that. You just tell the truck what to do. And you also have a crawl mode. And we got an awesome rear view camera. Super high def. It takes up the whole screen so you can see everything behind you. And it's got park distance control to let you know just how close you are to stuff.